Something about that bread tastes better than Domino's, but I don't know what it is.
Regular cheese pizzas versus cheese pizza versus cheese pizza. I had my stomach removed after I found out that I had some very cool, very fun cancer in it. So I got an equally cool, equally fun surgery. And hey everyone, welcome to Try It Without a Stomach. These days, I'm basically relearning to eat. You may find yourself wondering, is that a thing? It most definitely is. And now, it's my thing. No stomach, no problem, right? In the name of science or in the name of YouTube, we're doing cheese pizzas. Just regular cheese pizzas versus cheese pizza versus cheese pizza. Just nice, solid, classic triple header. Even the playing field, all right? All right, taste test number 1. Let's get things rolling with Papa John's. Papa John's! Also, do you guys hear that baby in the background? That's my baby. Oh yeah. I'll be honest, I haven't had Papa John's in like a zillion years, and it's sort of the one that I forget about, like exists sometimes. Sorry, Papa.
He has no pizza experience. He's never been in the pizza category.
But I'm really psyched to check back in on it. By the way, new Papa John's development for everybody that I discovered. 1, they have stuffed crust options now. Respect. And 2, they have pizza called the Shaq-a-Roni. We stan Shaq themed pizzas. We stan Shaq themed anything. I did not order the Shaq-a-Roni because it's a extra large with extra cheese, with extra pepperoni, and 8 foldable slices. And I'm not exactly living that extra life these days, because you know, it might literally kill me. Okay, not great. I can't eat that much. Small portions now. It probably wouldn't kill me, but this super fun thing called dumping syndrome happens, and don't Google it. Please stop Googling it. I can feel you Googling it. You totally Googled it. Okay, that's on you. Now you know what dumping syndrome is. Let's move on. It actually looks pretty good, and I should sound less surprised. I just feel like with so much fast food, there's the way it looks and the commercial, and then the way you remember it, you know, looking when you were younger. And I used to order it, and the way it actually looks without the nostalgia. Right? Just me? Ooh, cheesy goodness. Yummy, yummy. I would give this a 1 out of 10 cheesy pull factor. You know, it's fine, it's still pizza. It's just not the cartoony pizza dreams that I thought.
I can't believe you, man.
Let's take a bite. Decent pizza. Not the best, not the worst. Solid deliciousness per bite factor, which is a big thing for me. Their other big John Z thing is the garlic dipping sauce. So for the crust, which again, respect. But butter falls into the grease category for me, which is really such a bummer, but it means I probably shouldn't mess with this. Yeah, it's pretty good pizza. Very wet, tastes good. Thanks for the pizza, Papa.
Stay tuned.
I kind of feel like it's hard to mess up pizza, you know? Even a bad pizza is still pizza. You know, I eat this. I'm gonna eat this. Just not right this second, because, you know, we're moving on into taste test number 2. Domino's pizza. Domino's. Even just looking at it, it's so cozy. It's nice, you know? Oh, it smells like a Friday after school, pre-dinner walk through the aisles of Blockbuster. You know what I mean? And you know, actually now that I'm looking at it, it kind of looks like straight up Ninja Turtles pizza. Just me? Can't just be me, right? Look at it, come on. That's some Secret of the Use style pie right there. I've gotta love it, on principle, just for that. All right, but let's try it. All right, here we go. Oh my God, so much better than Papa John's. Holy crap. You know, I think I've always been more of a Domino's guy than a Papa John's guy. Domino's to me is top tier. And actually, based on feeling in my mouth, it's just wet enough. It's just saucy enough. It's just chewy enough where I would feel comfortable swallowing this in bigger bites. Because I have to actually think about that now. I can't actually like take too big of bites and then swallow them normally. I love it so much. They're not being able to eat in normal things, but the Domino's? Come on. So good. Test number 3. Let's do this! Pizza Hut, Pizza Hut. Everyone loves to Pizza the Hut. They used to have salad bars, don't forget it. Personal Pizza Hut pizza. This is who I am now. I love pizza. Do I? I don't know. Pizza Hut was like the original OG for stuffed crust pizza. Papa wishes they could be like the stuffed crust pizza of the 90s Pizza Hut. It was peak. It was beautiful. It was science. Eating a science experiment. Also, while I have you here, does anybody actually remember the triple-decker pizza back then? It was insane, and it was stored in the memories of my mind. And I want to say it was like crust on top and bottom with some extra cheese and meat in the middle or something. We found a picture of it. Look at it! Look at it! The 90s were wild. I don't remember them. I was a child, but I do remember them fondly. And I think we all need to bring back the triple-decker pizza. Not for me, because like I have no stomach, so I couldn't handle it anymore. I don't even think I could handle it back then. But we need to bring back the triple-decker for national morale. I think we could all use something like that in these trying times. But let's try the pizza. That's Pizza the Hut. Okay, I'm optimistic about this one. I literally have not tried Pizza Hut in so long.
Something about that bread tastes better than Domino's, but I don't know what it is. Oh my God. Dry. So dry. On a scale from 1 to 10 wet, I would give this like a 2. Too wet. Hard to chew. It's gonna fill up my intestines. I'm gonna be very, very, very full after that. What have you become, Pizza Hut? I don't know. But I love you. I mean, it's still pizza. And again, you can't go wrong with pizza. Wow. This one's been a wild ride, and I really thank you all for joining me. And if there's anything else you're dying to see me try, or if you want to let me know what's on your fast food Mount Rushmore, drop it in the comments, okay? Because I'm here. I don't have a stomach, but that doesn't mean that I can't eat ever again. All right, cool. Thanks, YouTube. See you in the next one.